Gen 3 Tacoma owners, you want to bring your truck into the 21st century, replace all of those factory halogen bulbs with LED. Let me show you how to do it. We'll do the tail lights, we'll do the front turn signals. Let's get it. Today we're going to be swapping these halogen bulbs over to LED. This is a 2023 Gen 3 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. The reverse lights have already been done, but we're going to swap over the brake light and turn signal. So let's get it. Now to get access to the bulbs, you're going to remove this 10mm bolt and these two 10mm bolts. Now that your bolts are removed, you're going to take your hand and put it back here and then right here and just pull forward and it'll pop out of place. You want to lay a towel down or something to protect your tail light from getting scratched. Now you just simply turn counterclockwise and lift out, and there's your old bulb. You just simply grasp it and pull out. There's the ugly halogen bulb. Here is the brake light from AUXITO. In the middle is your brake light. Here's a new bulb from AUXITO. It just snaps into place. And on reinstallation, find the tabs, turn it clockwise, locks into place. Same bulb, 7443 halogen. These have a built-in resistor. There will be no hyper flash with these. These are plug and play from AUXITO for our turn signal. Puts back into place. Install, line your tabs up, twist, and lock. To reinstall these lights, let me see it. This here will line up with here, and there's one at the top as well that'll line up here. And then you just push it into place and it locks, and then you can bolt it down. You can just simply reinstall your 10mm bolts. Now let's test these out, and I'll show you the difference between the new LED and the old halogen. As you can see, they are much brighter and that cleaner on-off look that we all love with LEDs. Cleaner, much brighter. We're going to replace that halogen turn signal with LED. Kind of hard to see and get an angle on this, but this is your turn signal socket here. We're going to be removing this and removing the halogen bulb and installing the new LED bulb. And just like your headlights, you turn it clockwise a quarter of a turn, you'll feel it release and snap, unsnap. There's your factory halogen amber bulb. Now let me show you what I'm switching to. With the AUXITO amber LED, these have a built-in resistor. They're plug and play, no hyper flash, guaranteed. The old bulb just simply pulls out. You have your new bulb, built-in fan, and it just plugs into your connector like so. When you go to reinstall, you'll line up the tabs, you'll turn it a quarter of a turn to the right, you'll feel it lock into place. It'll be clockwise on reinstallation. All done. I'll show you the difference now between the old halogen and the new LED. This LED is extremely bright versus the halogen. Look at the difference here. Nowhere near as bright. It has that fade out to it that the halogen bulb has. The LED way is so much better, so much brighter, it's safer, it's cleaner, it looks a hell of a lot better. And this is a simple installation. This is a simple fix. Makes the truck look a lot better, looks a lot cleaner, it's brighter, which is safer. This is the way to go.